Hi, Sheila here from Satin Crystals, and I just wanted to show you the making of one malachite bracelet. So just an example of how your stretch bracelets are made. So from the long strand of beads, we cut the beads out and get some stretchy cord, double it up, cut it again, so there's 4 strands of stretchy cord on the bracelet, nice and sturdy. And we use a little wire as a needle, and then we go ahead and bead all of the stones. So just watching to see which ones are more uniform in shape and color. Of course, they're all going to be a little bit different since they are natural stones, but just to get it a little bit closer in size. And so this part takes the longest as you're stringing all the little beads, and depending on what size you want. So the longer ones, of course, will take a little longer. The smallest size we make is 5.5 inches right now, although we do have some smaller ones on custom request. So like if you wanted one for your little kids, they're sometimes 4 inches, or we make the large ones as well, up to 8.25 inches. And if you need something larger, of course, we can make those as well. So just beading all the beads. These are our dark malachite beads. And today I'm using a green stretch cord, so you don't really see the cord once you're wearing the bracelet, but just in case. And let's see, so let's see how big this one is. This is our bead sizer, and that's about 675. And yes, on my list I do need one more of those. So just take the needle back out, loop the ends into the other end, make sure there's enough stretch in the bracelet before I tie it all up. And I usually tie it at least twice and usually 3 times depending how big the hole is. So this time I'm going to tie the ends 3 times and snip it close to the knot, throw out the little ends, and secure the knot within the bead. And there you have it. This one is a 675-inch bracelet. Thanks for watching.